ये जो लोग बोलते हैं ना कॉफी इज बैड फॉर पीसीओएस, ये वो लोग बोलते हैं जो 5-6 कप पी के अपनी बॉडी को एकदम खराब कर चुके हैं. आई डोंट नो इफ आई वांट टू हैव किड्स बट आई वुड लाइक टू हैव दैट ऑप्शन ओपन. माय गॉड, दिस इज समथिंग आई डिडंट प्रिपेयर फॉर. Honestly, that is not that alarming. It's okay. How do I manage my acne with PCOS? Yeah, you can come and watch me drink my morning coffee. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am restarting a series that was long lost on my channel. Welcome to the first episode of Girl Talk with Sar. I used to do these videos so religiously on my channel and I realized so many of y'all like benefited from these videos. Recently बस सोच रही थी मैं मुझे YouTube पे क्या करना है, क्या different करना है या क्या मैं पहले करती थी और अब मैं नहीं करती हूँ. And पहले के videos में से I was watching a Girl Talk videos always have the highest views and all of y'all have such positive comments. Y'all have benefited so much from my Girl Talk episodes and I was like, why did I stop doing them? So yes, Fudge, today we are bringing back Girl Talk with Sar. How do you feel? This is a new setup that I'm also trying out in my house. So let me know in the comments how do you feel about this setup, and I really hope this video is helpful for y'all, all of y'all. I always try to make them as informative as possible because मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा insight है. मैं ऐसी इंसान हूँ ना कि मुझे बहुत चुल है लाइफ में. मुझे अगर कोई भी कुछ बोल दे तो मैं सिर्फ सुन के नहीं लेती हूँ. I always rationalize and mostly about my body. I'm very aware about especially as I'm getting older, I'm very inquisitive and aware about everything that's happening in my body. So today we are targeting the topic of PCOS because in the last 1 year I have worked rigorously to reverse my PCOS and I can proudly say today I don't think I have PCOS anymore. I think I've cured it for myself and I've done it with a lot of hard work. और अब मुझे periods time पे आते, I don't get painful periods anymore. I don't have acne prone skin anymore. I have lost a lot of body fat. Like everything in my PCOS feels like it's reversed, and even if sometimes I go off track, it doesn't feel like my body is going in a state of shock or something. I feel like it's finally learned how to function normally. And today I wanted to talk about my PCOS journey at length with y'all. I've taken questions on my Instagram from my other PCOS girls कि आप लोगों को क्या questions है तो मैं वो answer करूँगी आप लोग के लिए. And I'll keep it as candid, as honest as possible with my experience. I also have consulted with a nutritionist on my journey. You all know about that. If you've been here, मेरे description box में हमेशा मेरे nutritionist का reference रहता है. I feel that was the best person I ever met in 2024 was my nutritionist Yash Patel. He has a company called Ask Natural. They have nutrition and training services and it's definitely been life-changing not only for me but also for so many of my Sara squad because so many of y'all have joined through my videos for his services and have benefited so much from it. So that has been my point of reference, point of learning. I come from a healthcare background तो मुझे मेरी body का काफी knowledge है and plus of course I've tried and tested a lot of things, and with all of this information I'm going to give you the information I'll give you in today's video. Everybody is different, so definitely what applies to me will not apply सेम कॉपी पेस्ट टू यू, बट फिर भी ये वीडियो आपके लिए काफी हेल्पफुल होगा. सो विद दैट लेट्स डाइव स्ट्रेट इनटू दिस. इफ दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम you've come on my channel, then hi, I'm Sara. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sara squad. I'm sure you'll love it here, and also don't forget the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And with that we can dive straight into this. Okay, the first question, I think यही question से शुरू करना चाहिए. How did you manage weight loss? अभी weight loss, fat loss in general is very important for PCOS. अगर आपको ऐसे लग रहा है कि मैं बिना fat lose किए I'm going to reverse my PCOS, that's not going to happen. Yes, there are few people who also have PCOS who do not have a lot of body fat, excessive body fat, but majority of people who have PCOD, PCOS will definitely have stubborn body fat because it messes up your metabolism and how. अगर आपको PCOD है मतलब क्या हो रहा है, आपकी बॉडी के हार्मोन रेगुलेटर्स सारे हल चुके हैं. मतलब जैसी आपकी बॉडी नॉर्मली फंक्शन करनी चाहिए वैसे कर ही नहीं रही है. तो जो आप खाते हो वो सारा fat reserve, even if you're eating healthy, for which you may feel that it's healthy, it's gonna form fat reserves in your body and just your fat metabolism will take so long that's why you start gaining a lot of weight, and that will happen. You will always notice, especially in your teenage, or nowadays almost everybody has PCOD. Left right देखो हर जगह सभी को PCOD है. सब लोग complain कर रहे हैं कि after a point in your life you will see that you have started gaining a lot of stubborn fat, and that's mainly because now your hormones are like बस भाई अब हमसे नहीं हो रहा, अब हम पूरा chaos करेंगे तेरी बॉडी में. तो वो होने लगता है। मेरा ये पॉइंट 12th स्टैंड के बाद आया था, बिकॉज ऑफ माई स्टडीज, बिकॉज ऑफ माई स्ट्रेस एंड एवरीथिंग। स्ट्रेस इज दैट वन हार्मोन विच messes up all your hormones, everything. Stress अगर आपकी बॉडी में constantly हो ना, so your body is constantly in fight or flight and it's always producing adrenaline, so it will not do fat metabolism, it will just keep on, जो भी आप खा रहे हो फटाफट से वो आपको एनर्जी दे देगा, जो भी आप खा रहे हो फटाफट से एनर्जी, तो आपको भूख बहुत ज्यादा लगेगी, you know, you'll eat a lot and then you'll form a lot of fat reserves in your body, it will not do correct metabolism. So of course managing stress is very important for weight loss. It's easier said than done, but you need to sleep well, you need to sleep well, and I try my best to get that. Like the one thing for me that is sanctity is my sleep. अगर मेरी नींद कोई खराब कर देना तो वो मेरा दुश्मन है. Like मेरी नींद बिल्कुल खराब नहीं हो सकती, because I lead a very stressful life in general, and when I'm active I am stressed, so I need to sleep well. I would say I'm a good sleeper, that I don't have restless sleep, I don't get a lot of nightmares or dreams, alhamdulillah. Sometimes I get, but mostly I'm a very good sleeper. Abhi Ramzan mein my schedule is messed up, but otherwise I sleep really well, so that's a plus for me. Managed my stress really well there. And when you exercise, now exercise also कौन सी तरीके की exercise आपको help करेगी, जो आपको suit करे. You can do a variety of exercise. You can do yoga, you can do weightlifting, you can do kickboxing, you can do cardio, you can run, you can swim, you can do so many, roller skate, do whatever you feel like doing. Do it for 1 hour every day. You need to just release happy hormones. Those happy hormones will cancel out all that stress hormone. So again, stress वहाँ पे manage हो जाएगा. So that's something I try to do. The third thing is your food. What you put on your plate is 90% of your fat loss. जो आप खाओगे वही आप वो उस तरीके के इंसान बनोगे. And if you're going to keep junk eating, like we don't realize, you know, हम बोलते कि एक पेड़ा खा लेंगे, एक लड्डू खा लेंगे, एक रसगुल्ला, वो एक अगर आप रोज करोगे तो आपने तो हर रोज ही मीठा खाया ना. हर रोज आप मीठा नहीं खा सकते. You can't have sweet and sugar every day. Our body is not used to having so much sugar, especially if you want to do weight loss. अगर आपको weight loss करना है, you have to get rid of these causes that cause fat deposition in your body first. Starting में you'll have to be very rigorous. I know a lot of people say कि थोड़े शक्कर से कुछ नहीं होता है, बट फिर आप एक्सपेक्ट मत करो कि आपको कुछ ड्रास्टिक वेट लॉस स्टार्टिंग में मिलेगा. आपको स्टार्टिंग में बहुत डिसिप्लिन और स्ट्रिक्ट होना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आपने आपकी बॉडी को इतने साल का डैमेज किया है. इतने साल जो आपने गलत खाना खाया है, दैट्स व्हाट आई आल्सो लाइक, यू नो, यश ऑलवेज टेल्स मी कि इतने साल से जो तू इतना बकवास खा रही है, वो हाउ डू यू एक्सपेक्ट इट्स जस्ट गोना गो अवे इन लाइक अ वीक ऑफ हेल्दी ईटिंग और अ मंथ ऑफ हेल्दी ईटिंग. वी एक्सपेक्ट आवर बॉडी to come on track so fast when we have pushed it away from its normal functioning for so many years. So you have to first take away those triggers, and yes, in the start it's very difficult. It's very difficult. So when you deprive your body of those sugars, like those sweets, what you can do is use alternative sugars, so it will help you in the start, like stevia and other types of, you know, alternative sugars. They just get metabolized in the body better. Again, too much of that is also not good, usko bhi control mein khana hai, but it's still better than regular sugar. And starting में अगर आपको दिक्कत हो रही है नॉर्मल शुगर निकालने डाइट में, तो आप ये ऑल्टरनेटिव शुगर्स यूज करो. गेट ऑफ शुगर. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नॉट इवन वन लड्डू, वन पेड़ा, वन रसगुल्ला, नथिंग. Starting में deprive yourself, do it for a couple of months, at least 2-3 months, and then once your body, you will see a significant difference in fat loss. एक बार वो आ गया ना, उसके बाद वो एक पेड़ा, एक रसगुल्ला, like आज मैंने शीरकुरमा खाया तो एक आधा बार ठीक है, then it's fine. Then your body will not go into shock, or it will not immediately deposit the fat. It will regularly metabolize it, because now it's learned normal functioning. So you want to first do those, like, you know, become strict. You can't expect to be lazy and lose fat. That's for sure. A lot of people are like, मुझे थोड़ा सा ये खाना है, मुझे थोड़ा सा ये खाना है, और फिर भी मुझे weight loss करना है. Not gonna happen. Have to be strict with that. Balance your diet. Your diet needs to have a lot of protein, especially my vegetarians. I need to speak to y'all. Y'all think कि one bowl of dal is going to be enough protein for you. It's not. One bowl of dal is just 8 grams of protein, or sometimes even less than that, depending on how much you dilute it. So it is very less protein for you. You'll need to, and one, अगर आप इतनी सी कटोरी पीते हो तो उसमें कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा है आपको. Like you'll have to drink इतना बड़ा कटोरी दाल to get a good amount of protein. So have your whey protein, have whey protein supplements. The brand I like to use is On Optimum Nutrition. उसका whey protein मुझे suit करता है without giving acne. So for vegetarians, that's the best source of protein I would give you. Have paneer, that's good for fats and protein. Have tofu. All this का taste, if you don't like, learn new methods to cook it. If you're vegetarian, you have less options, right? So I'm mainly addressing my vegetarian folks. As non-vegetarians, we have a lot of options. So I mainly rely rely on chicken. I'm trying to lose more fat now, so right now I've tried to cut down the whey protein sugar also, and I'm only relying on chicken and eggs and mutton sometimes for like basically protein from my meat sources. And chicken, just so many ways to make chicken. माँ made it को follow करो, इतने सारे dishes मम्मी मेरे लिए बनाते हैं. I just consume one big piece of chicken or eggs, or like my breakfast will be 4 to 5 eggs, like shakshuka अच्छे से घी में डाल के, so a good amount of fat and protein is what I start my day with. Then around 3-4 o'clock I take a good amount of chicken, and then सीधा रात को 9 बजे 10 बजे मैं वापस या तो चिकन या मटन या कुछ खाती हूँ. अगर ज्यादा भूख नहीं लगी, I'll just have soup or salad and end my day. But protein very important. Then your micronutrients, like your macros are your protein and your fats, the good fats, like your avocado, ghee, the good fats. And then micronutrients like your zinc, your vitamins, all this, if you are not getting through your vegetables, because agar aap ubal ke sabziyan kha rahe ho, again you've killed all the micronutrients there. Only in like your raw salads are you getting your vegetables, say the good like green leafy vegetables, say you get those micronutrients which is good for your hair and skin. And I don't consume a lot of green leafy vegetables. वो थोड़ा बहुत मम्मी फ्रेंच बीन्स वगैरह चिकन में डाल देते, वो ठीक है, but I don't consume a lot of that. So उसकी वजह से I take my zinc, vitamins, ये सब in my supplement format. So I take it in as supplements, which is given by my nutritionist. So that's how it's a balanced diet for me. I am very focused on eating right, because like I said, आपका fat loss 90% kitchen में ही होगा, सिर्फ 10% बाकी के factors से होगा. So keep that in mind. This diet and this lifestyle change will reverse majority of your PCOS. This will do half the work. Like what I've told you is literally what I've done last year. यही 5 मिनट में मैंने जो आपको बताया, इससे मेरा सब कुछ ठीक हो गया है. इससे मेरे स्किन क्लियर हो गई है. अब ऐसा लगता है एक्ने तो क्लियर हो गया. I was never acne prone skin type, and now you will see my skin texture also. If you've seen me in the past, if you've been watching me for a while, you know मेरे स्किन में इतने खड्डे हुआ करते थे, इतने ज्यादा acne marks, scars थे, और मैंने इतने स्किन ट्रीटमेंट्स भी कराया है, but nothing has worked the way eating right has worked, because now there's so much protein in my body. Once body has formed all the hormones and it's done all the basic work, your full body is made of amino acids, made of proteins. Your entire body, your collagen, keratin, सारे hormones, हर एक चीज, muscle protein, सब कुछ protein है. तो आपको काफी protein, like we were taught in biology that you need, like if I'm 80 kilograms, I need 80 grams of protein, and that's how much protein you need every day for basic functioning and body जो wear and tear करती है उसको rebuild करने. That's how much protein you need, and so you need to realize how important, how deficit your diet must actually be. And if you do like workout, अगर आप gym वगैरह जाते हो तो आप और भी wear and tear करते हो, तो आपको उसको भी rebuild करना होता है. So now I feel like now I'm consuming regular like good amount of protein, तो उसकी वजह से मेरी normal functioning तो हो गई. अभी कुछ भी excess मेरी body में होता है तो मेरी skin अच्छी हो रही है, मेरे बाल अच्छे हो रहे हैं, मेरे बाल का texture इतना अच्छा हो रहा है, और ये सब मेरे diet की वजह से हो रहा है. Everything is because of that. And with this, fat loss will come automatically. I have not lost a lot of fat on the weighing scale, but definitely a lot of inches. Like my features became sharper, my jawline came back, my dimples came back. All these features I feel like बचपन के बाद मैं खो गए थे यार, teenage में ये सब इतना अचरा कचरा खाने के बाद they just got lost. And I feel so happy looking at myself कि wow, this is how I used to look once upon a time, you know. We were not all born with so much body fat percentage. We did that to our body. We did it with the chips and the like all the kachra that we've been eating. Unless you have health conditions like hypothyroid and other health issues like diabetes, you're born with diabetes and stuff, this is a different category of people. But normally, if you have a normal, like you come with good genetics and you have messed up your body, then it's on you. Then you need to reverse it, right? Okay, next question is how do I manage my acne with PCOS? मैंने आपको पहले ही बोल दिया कि अगर आप क्लीन खाने लगोगे, आप डायरेक्टली नोटिस करोगे ब्लड में से शुगर डाउन हो गया है ना, तो अपने आप आपको एक्ने नहीं आएगा. Acne is being formed due to the high sugar level in your blood, and that's a very good medium for bacteria growth. So every time you touch your face, you know, you touch anything dirty, your makeup brush is dirty, and immediately your body is forming acne. It's a very good host because your blood always has a high sugar level because your glucose is not getting metabolized properly due to PCOS. तो acne इसलिए form होते हैं ज्यादा hormonal acne जो PCOS में होता है. तो एक बार आप करेक्ट खाने लगे, आपने अपना PCOS रिवर्स कर लिया ना, तो उसके बाद the tendency to form acne will not be that much in your body, which is now the case with me. But also with that, my skincare, you know, I'm a very big skincare enthusiast. I love my skincare and I do it very religiously. religiously. मेरे दो main ingredients acne prone skin type के लिए रहे हैं salicylic acid and niacinamide. They've been in my routine since forever. Salicylic acid mostly in the form of a face wash or serum, and niacinamide either again serum or moisturizer. You have to have these two because they help with exfoliating the dead skin and drying out the skin enough to just deal with the acne. और niacinamide से marks भी deal होते हैं, and they are both very gentle on the skin, so they are great even when your skin is very sensitive. Of course, after you use actives, you need to use a good sunscreen. Or most of the sunscreens on the market can be very thick and have a very shiny finish. और वो shiny white cast की वजह से आपको मन नहीं करेगा लगाने का. They also clog your pores really easily. इसकी वजह से और भी acne होता है. So you want a lightweight, easy to absorb sunscreen. You have to try the Wishcare's niacinamide oil balancing sunscreen. This is a great one. It has zinc, which controls the oil production more, and it has niacinamide. It helps with acne marks, and the best part about this sunscreen is the texture. Texture is amazing of this sunscreen. This is so lightweight. It is like a very fluidy sunscreen, and इसी वजह से इतने लोगों को इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. मुझे इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. मैं इसको रोज यूज करने I love using it on a daily basis because it's that friendly to use. If you have active acne, आपका face पूरा acne से भरा हुआ है, ये लगाओगे तो आपको ऐसा वो चिपचिपा फीलिंग नहीं आएगा, थिकनेस नहीं फील होगी, आपके पोर्स और क्लॉग नहीं होंगे. You love using this on a daily basis. So you can definitely give this one a shot. It has SPF 50 and PA 4+, so it has got good amount of filtration. मैं Andaman भी इसको लेके गई थी, and Andaman के sunlight और इतनी harsh weather में भी this gave me a very good protection. मतलब it's a very luxury product you're getting at a very very good price. So I'm going to link this sunscreen for you in the description. If you have acne prone skin type and if you have active acne, give this one a shot. I know that PCOS affects the ability to have kids, so do you get scared or just your thoughts on it? Yes, that was something that initially when I was diagnosed as a teenager, I got very scared because that's, you Google your symptoms and you Google your diagnosis, and that's when you feel like, oh my god, what if this happens to me in the future? So तभी भी जब मैं teenager थी, तभी also I tried to reverse my PCOS by losing weight, and it did help me a lot. Back then I didn't have a nutritionist. मैंने ऐसी की थी, मैं बहुत सूप सैलेड खाने लगी थी. मैं इतना प्रोटीन नहीं खाती थी. मैं सूप सैलेड्स शुगर पूरा कट डाउन किया था. तभी भी किया था, इसलिए मैं अभी भी सजेस्ट कर रही हूँ. और मम्मी मतलब I have always been a non-vegetarian, so I have always eaten non-veg. I had cut down on carbs like rice. I used to still have roti. Now I don't even have roti, but तभी I used to have roti. And all this say I basically lost a lot of weight. I used to exercise a lot and lost अच्छा खासा weight. I used to be 90 kgs in college, and 90 kgs से I came down to तभी 77 or something. And उस weight loss से भी I had reversed my PCOS. So I know कि PCOS is reversible. You can do it multiple times in your life. I've done it once in the past and I'm doing it now once again. And you can do that. And once you've done that, once you lead that healthy life, now I feel like जितना easily I had lost weight तभी as a teenager, उतना easy अभी मुझसे नहीं होता, because अभी I'm getting older. After 25, my metabolism is also slowing down. So I'm not losing weight as fast or as well as I lost when I was like 17, 18. And that's the reason why I feel more of a need to take care of myself. Okay, now I need to be more careful. As I'm aging, I need to be more stringent with my diet and what I'm putting in my plate and what I'm putting in my body. I respect my body a lot more than I did as a teenager because I know it's slowing down. So I don't want it to affect my reproduction in the future. Like, I don't know if I want to have kids, but I would like to have that option open. And so I feel like, that is something that I don't want to destroy with my own hands by eating wrong or by not exercising or taking care of my body. Should we go for various herbal drinks for PCOD which are popping up on Insta feed for PCOD? Honestly, all these drinks basically are supplements. They are just going to give you some sort of supplementation जो उनको लग रहा है आपको खाने से नहीं मिल रहा है. They are either like, most of these drinks have a lot of calming ingredients because like I said, stress causes a lot of PCOS. So all these herbal teas and relaxing drinks and all are just going to try to induce more dopamine release, more serotonin release, more happy hormone release while sitting at home and calm your adrenaline. Like chamomile tea and all do that only for you. इसलिए आपको नींद आती है easily and ज़्यादा आप activated नहीं रहते, which is why they say coffee is not good for PCOS because coffee causes an adrenaline surge. Already stress ले रहे हो, आप coffee पियोगे, आपको और spike आएगा, फिर आपको उसकी वजह से और adrenaline release होगा, which can be harmful for PCOS. But again, if you manage your stress properly, if you're sleeping right and if you have coffee coffee once only a day, once or maximum twice. Now I have also cut down, to be honest. Only I drink once a day, and once a day suits me really well. It keeps me functional. It gives me the right amount of boost of adrenaline जहाँ मैं अच्छे से मैं कॉफी पी लूँ ना, उसके नेक्स्ट 3 घंटा जो मैं काम करती हूँ, बेस्ट काम करती हूँ. तो फॉर मी कॉफी इज दैट boost of like right now I've had it's 1:30 in the night, 1:45, because my Ramzan routine is very messed up. I've had a nice cup of Americano before I sat to shoot, and my energy is really good. So it does that for me, but I will not go ahead and have another cup because then it will just do harm to me and cause adrenaline spike when my stress is high. तो उसकी वजह से coffee can be detrimental for PCOS. ये जो लोग बोलते हैं ना coffee is bad for PCOS, ये वो लोग बोलते हैं जो 5-6 कप पी के अपनी बॉडी को एकदम खराब कर चुके हैं और अब उनसे सूट नहीं हो रहा है. मैंने कभी इतना अब्यूज नहीं किया है कॉफी. I've always had 2 cups a day. Now I'm trying to have 1 because it dehydrates you also. So I'm trying to have only 1 because I love my coffee. Sometimes I do have 2 also and it doesn't cause any issues to me. But mostly it's 1 cup a day, which is perfectly fine. Herbal drinks, what they are doing for you is basically calming you down, giving you supplementation. Maybe they have vitamin C, maybe they have this. So they're not bad. बट अगर आप खुद का अगर आप ढंग से खाना वाना खा रहे हो तो आपको जरूरत नहीं है ये सब करने. ढंग से सो रहे हो, अगर आपको नींद आ रही है वगैरह, यू डोंट नीड इट. सो रीड दोज ड्रिंक्स, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग फॉर यू, व्हाट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर, लर्न, रिसर्च एंड देन कंज्यूम देम. आई वुडंट जनरलाइज एंड से दे आर ऑल बैड or they are all useless, because they will definitely be useful if they are the right ingredients. How did you deal with hair fall and hair thinning during PCOS? Oh my god, this is something I didn't prepare for. Now while I told you all कि fat loss बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है, एक चीज जो प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है फैट लॉस के साथ, जब आप बहुत ड्रास्टिकली, बहुत जल्दी, बहुत ज्यादा वेट लूज करते हो तो बॉडी को लगता है भाई कुछ तो गलत हो रहा है और वो आपके बाल झड़ा देता है. इट्स अ कंडीशन, इट्स कॉल्ड समथिंग, आई फॉरगॉट द नेम ऑफ द कंडीशन. इट्स अ कंडीशन एंड वो हुआ मेरे साथ लास्ट ईयर के I lost a lot of weight from Feb to June. I lost 10 kgs. उसके बाद से मैं स्टेबल रही हूँ ऑलमोस्ट. सो वो जो फेब टू जून इन सच अ शॉर्ट स्पैन आई लॉस्ट इतना वेट. आई स्टार्टेड विद आस्क नेचुरल इन नवंबर एंड आई स्टार्टेड लूजिंग वेट इन February. So that means 3 months my body took to get activated in the new diet and everything. I didn't lose any weight in the first 3 months. I just lost inches. Then I lost a lot of weight from Feb to June and तभी मेरा जो हेयर फॉल हुआ है इतना गंदा. I feel like half I became bald. I was like what is happening and I'm eating right, मैं सब कर रही हूँ और मेरा weight loss हो रहा है, मैं क्यों? So basically that's the condition, that if your body goes into this weight loss, what happens is that keratin, hair, is a luxury for your body. It doesn't need hair, right, to survive. So it loses it. It's like ये चाहिए नहीं हमको, हम सारा प्रोटीन कोई और चीज में यूज करें. Because I was working out, so it was building my muscles became stronger and everything else was getting built, but my hair was not. Skin was getting better because skin is also vital to our body, but hair is not vital. Body doesn't consider it important, but I consider it important. I want the hair on my head. We all want good hair. So after losing all that hair, I became very conscious and then I went to my doctor and he told me about this condition and he was like, this is what basically happened to you. He gave me some hair care supplements. So जो मेरे hair care के supplements है मैं मेरे डॉर्मेट से लेती हूँ and वो उनके clinic में ही मिलते हैं. I go to Dr. Shades and that's where I get my hair supplements from. And then I went back to this product that I used to use. ऐसा महीने में पहले इतना मैं regularly नहीं use करती थी. And that's my Wishcare Hair Growth Serum Concentrate. I had this before, I've used it before, but not as religiously. But after the amount of hair fall I went through, I was like अब तो नए बाल उगाने पड़ेंगे ना. So then I started using this very religiously and I have seen a difference. Like look at all the amount of hair you're seeing इधर आगे जितना भी आपको दिख रहा है. I'll show you photos of the baby hair that I have and I know my videographers keep complaining about flyaways, but I'm like it's okay. वो flyaways is important because अब बाल आ रहे हैं तो उनको आने दो. इसलिए मैंने बाल अभी भी काट दिए because अभी अगर नए बाल आएंगे तो उनको उगने थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. So I'll have to keep my hair short for a little while to just grow a healthy mane of hair and then I can start growing it longer because ऐसे लंबे से पुछड़ी बाल नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. But this really works you guys. This is such a good product. I've used religiously. शिद्दत से इसको यूज करो. दिन में एक बार यूज करो, 2 बार यूज करोगे तो और भी अच्छा होगा. ऐसा प्रोडक्ट पे बोला है बट मैं एक बार इसको रात को अप्लाई करती हूँ religiously. इसका बहुत लाइट वेट टेक्सचर है. It's such an easy product to apply, you know. It just like the spray bottle, the nozzle is so user friendly. Just massage it into your skin. Doesn't make your hair oily or chipchapa. You know, I cannot use a scalp serum. If it makes my hair oily or chipchapa, I can't use it because that will not let me shoot videos. So I use this every night before sleeping, like 4 to 5 pumps, massage it nicely, सो जाती हूँ मैं और 3 दिन तक मेरे बाल चिपचिपे नहीं होते. It has made a lot of difference. It's really good. It has redensil, anagen, biotin and plant keratin and rice water. So basically all the ingredients which will stimulate hair growth, तो वो follicles को जगाता है कि बाल उगे. And biotin will also strengthen the hair. So the hair that you're getting, उसका भी strength अच्छा होगा. ऐसा नहीं कि वो weak हो गए और बाल जल्दी से गिर जाएंगे. And it also reduces hair fall. So overall this product is really great and very good value for money. I cannot recommend this enough. Like if I had to give an award, it would be to this, and I've said that before as well. Okay, this is a good question. Can I detect PCOS at home if I have PCOD or not? What are the simpler benefits or the simpler signs, I think she's trying to ask, because my mother doesn't want me to get tested, but I think I have the symptoms. Symptoms of PCOD can be fat gain, like suddenly you'll see that you're gaining a lot of weight, and even if you're exercising, you're not able to lose it. Irregular periods or skipped periods, lot of hormonal, the cyst filled acne on your face, that was my sign. Like only I had regular periods always. I genetically have regular periods. I've never had a missed period in my life. My cycles are always regular. So for me, the biggest indication was the face full of acne and the painful cystic acne. So that was the biggest indication for me, and the stubborn body fat. So you will have 2 or 3 signs, because PCOD is polycystic ovarian disorder and PCOS is polycystic ovarian syndrome. Syndrome is when you have more than one symptom. तो अगर आपको 2-3 सिम्टम दिख रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स यू हैव इट. यू डोंट नेसेसरली हैव टू टेस्ट. बेसिकली आपको यही सब लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस करने. इट इज अ लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर. आपको लाइफस्टाइल चेंज करनी है, आपकी अच्छे हैबिट्स फॉर्म करने, अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा. द ब्लड टेस्ट आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. आई रिमेंबर आई हैव डन देम like 3-4 times, and in the start they used to cost me a bomb, because that time of course I was taking money from my parents. It was almost 10,000-20,000 to do the battery of tests to detect PCOS. It is a very expensive battery of tests. Plus you have to do ultrasound also to check if you have polycystic ovaries also. Like, because if you've had it for very long, you can have cysts forming in the ovaries also. Luckily for me, my ultrasound was always clear, which is why my fertility was not at question that time. Like, that is not something the doctor pointed out for me. उतना damage हुआ नहीं था मेरी body को. But अगर ज़्यादा damage होता है तो that can also be a problem for you. But I had one indication in the ultrasound. My uterus was inflamed. My ovaries were inflamed. So they were bigger than normal because of PCOS. So this was a sign that my gynec had told me that this is a sign that you have PCOS. Plus my hormone tests were like off the charts. I even had insulin resistance. So if you can have diabetes also with PCOD, and मुझे वो भी था, तो वो भी मैंने reverse किया है with the right food. So that's also a very, that is the sign that अब हाथ से मतलब चला गया है मामला, and now you need to correct things. So instead of going on medicines, I would highly recommend that you do lifestyle changes or do both together, so it will act even better for you. Did you have to deal with facial hair issue? How do you deal with it? I don't have a lot of facial hair. I think in general, through my genetics, I don't have a lot of hair growth. I don't have hair growth on my body, even on my scalp or on my face that much. So your genetics plays a role, and so I don't have a lot of facial hair issue. एक दो आ जाते chin पे, but I think अभी भी I have one chin hair, so I just like shave it off. मुझे बहुत गंदे cramps होते हैं and vomit भी होती है 2 दिन तक, ऐसा रहता है. क्या करूँ please? When PCOD gets really out of hand, when your hormones have been out of control for a really long time, it can also lead to conditions like fibroids and endometriosis. Now these are conditions that your doctors need to intervene. This is when you've not fixed the problem for very long, when you've not nipped it in the bud. Like I'm telling you कि मुझे भी insulin resistance तक आ गया था. My reproductive organs were inflamed. That's how bad my PCOS was as a teenager. That's how much damage I had done to it. Then you can also, like, you know, I know friends of mine who have endometriosis, and I know friends who have polycystic ovaries. मतलब उनके बहुत सारे cysts formed है. तो ये सब जब होता है ना, अंदर का मामला इतना खराब है, तो फिर आपको बहुत cramps वगैरह आते हैं. Especially in endometriosis, the periods are horrible. And if it is genetically there, like if your parents have had endometriosis and your grandparents have, like your mom, grandmom, your mom, all of them have had endometriosis, तो फिर वो genetics है, फिर उसके लिए you can't do anything. You can do surgical intervention and it will help to a certain extent, but not completely. But that is one thing you can do. Endometriosis is still fixable if only you have it and nobody else in your family has it. I would then highly recommend you all consulting with Ask Natural. Even if it's expensive for you, do it. It's an investment in your life. You will thank me. I have people who come to me thanking me if there's anything you've recommended which has been great, it's Ask Natural. Like more than products, it's been the service of Ask Natural because it's changed a lot of people's lives. It's changed my life for sure. क्या खाना है morning to night, मैंने आप लोग को already बता दिया है. Somebody's asked me that question. And the next question is, how do I control my cravings? Because I've been trying for 2 years and I can only do it for 1 week. Like I said, if it's sugar craving, replace your sugar. I don't even eat bread and roti and all, and I don't crave for it. But if you crave, then you have healthier options for bread. You have other like jawar ka aata khao, bajre ka aata khao, which is better for your, like, they are better carbohydrates. If you crave potato, have sweet potato. So there are better carbohydrates for your body than the regular carbohydrates. This will cut your craving. अपनी बॉडी को ट्रिक करना है बेसिकली. ये नहीं खाना, क्योंकि इतने साल तो आप खा रहे हो ना, तो आपको आदत हो गई है. तो बेसिकली ट्रिक योर बॉडी. एंड इट्स नॉट दैट आई डोंट ईट एट ऑल. अगर घर में बिरयानी बनी है, मसूर पुलाव बना है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, तो मैं खा लूंगी एक हफ्ते में एक बार. एक हफ्ते में एक बार. एवरीबडी इज अलाउड अ चीट डे. द पॉइंट इज टू कम back on track on every Monday and just get back to it, or whenever, like, just get back to it. Don't make the cheat days your lifestyle. How to stay motivated, how to push myself every morning as it's the most suitable time for me. See, motivation has to come from inside. Finding out कि आपकी body में इतना problem है और आपने खुद वो cause किया है should be motivation enough to reverse it. You know, like I'm saying कि I don't want to get older and be unfit and not be able to run behind my dog or take care of my house or take care of my business, and it's high time I take care of myself. So that should be motivation enough. And start small. Start rigorous with the diet, but start small with the exercise. If you are a person जो आपने कभी जिंदगी में exercise नहीं किया, I know such people who've never. I've always been an active person, so for me exercising is easier. But if you've never exercised in your life, then start small. Start with walking, start with running, start with थोड़ा swimming. धीरे धीरे कदम लो and फिर उसको धीरे धीरे करके बढ़ाओ. I also, when I started weightlifting, I could not even lift 2.5 kgs in the gym. Like my muscles were not strong. I had good endurance, but I had really poor muscle power. But धीरे धीरे आज मैं like 50 किलो का deadlift कर लेती हूँ आसानी से. That is the kind of strength you will build in the gym, and that's what I love about the gym. Like, you can hate the gym, but the gym is the only place where you can progressively challenge yourself and gain that progressive overload. That's the only place to do that. No other form of exercise can progressively challenge you. One of the main reasons I've fallen in love with the gym is because of that. Like, how much I get, like, आज मैं कितना उठा लूंगी is the new challenge I give myself every day. How did you go about with loose skin and stretch marks? Your stomach looks fab. Honestly, if you eat the right amount of protein, you will not develop loose skin. That's what Yash told me. I'm a testament of that. I don't have any loose skin because if you do a nutrition deficit diet ना, अगर आप बराबर खा नहीं रहे हो, अगर आप अपने आप को starve कर रहे हो, आप ये juice diet पे जाओगे और ऐसा nutrition ही नहीं दोगे अपनी body को और फिर fat loss हो रहा है, तो आप malnutrition में जा रहे हो. अगर आप वो करोगे और फिर fat loss करोगे तो PCOD नहीं reverse होगा, and plus you will develop a lot of loose skin. So that will not happen if you're eating right. I eat good fat and good amount of protein, so my skin is also getting tighter and it's getting really good, and not just my face skin, my body skin also. Yeah, I do get stretch marks and I love I have so many stretch marks over here. I have stretch marks everywhere. On my hips, on the sides I have stretch marks, on my thigh, everywhere I have stretch marks. Stretch marks I'm okay with, that's fine. वो पहले से अभी भी बढ़ते रहता है. But loose skin I know can be very unappealing. So that's something I have managed with eating a lot of protein, like the right amount of protein. Do you have cysts in your ovary? Can they be removed? Like I said, I don't have cysts in my ovary. I think they are removable. I am not sure, but you can surgically get them removed. But I don't have them, so I can't really tell from personal experience. My period days narrowed down to 3.5 days from 4 to 5 days suddenly, but the date is on time. Honestly, that is not that alarming. It's okay. Like, even sometimes I get 3 days ka period, 4 days ka period. Anything between 3 to 5 days is normal. 3 to 7 days is also normal. Anything above 7 days is a little alarming. How do you motivate yourself to get back to maintaining your health after a holiday? Now, this is an interesting question because I do struggle in this area. जब भी मैं छुट्टी पे जाती हूँ, of course I let the leash loose a little bit and I eat some bread, I eat burgers, pizzas, and then I'll eat my chips and french fries and all of that. I'll do a lot of damage to my body in 15 days and then I'll come back and then it's difficult. Then it's like, अरे यार, तभी मुश्किल होती है कि अभी मुझे वो शक्कर की एक बार आदत लग जाए ना, तो फिर और मन करता है रोज ही कुछ शुगर खाने का. That time you have to be mentally very strong, and what you can do physically, again, like I said, replacement sugars and all, and fat. Yash has told me this and that actually helps. I don't know how, but I put more ghee. So he always tells me put more ghee and more butter, so वो carbs की जो craving है ना वो कम हो जाएगी, और जो घी बटर वो आपकी बॉडी में मेटाबोलाइज हो जाएगा इजीली. लाइक इतना सारा घी भी आप लोगे, अगर ज्यादा घी लोगे तो आपको लूज मोशंस होके निकल जाएंगे, because that's good body fat for you. So body will remove that अगर वो एक्स्ट्रा आपकी बॉडी से. whereas if it's pizza or if it's burger, it will settle in your body. So that's how he tells me to balance the craving, and it actually helps me. Ghee is honestly life changing. Can't afford the gym, but will running help? If yes, what should be the intensity and duration? Running will help. It's a good amount of cardio. It'll really help with fat loss. You should try at least to start with 3 kilometers and then go up to 5. You can start with brisk walking and then go to running. And intensity जो आपकी बेस्ट हो वो धीरे धीरे इंप्रूव होगी. मैं आपको किलोमीटर्स बोल रही हूँ, ड्यूरेशन नहीं बोल रही हूँ. आपको जितना भी टाइम लगे, aim for 5 kilometers. If you can do that 3 times a week, that's excellent. And if you can't afford gym also, you can buy Thera bands, like those Pilates bands, and weights in home. Like I have dumbbells, 5 kgs ke dumbbells at home, and you can do a lot of home workouts with dumbbells. Dumbbells are versatile AF. Like you can use them in so many ways and they're very helpful. So that'll just help you, challenge you more. अगर आप ज़्यादा weights नहीं खरीद सकते, एक pair of dumbbells से आप ज़्यादा repetitions कर सकते हो. तो वो जो muscle definition है वो gym में आएगा. भागने से सिर्फ भागोगे तो आपकी loose skin form होगी fat loss के बाद. तो इसलिए gym भी करना बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि loose skin form नहीं हो. I think this is enough for today. I'm going to end this video right here because I think all of the questions after this are repetitive and answers lie within all the answers I've given over here. If you have more questions that you feel like इससे भी आपको नहीं answer मिल रहा है तो आप उसको नीचे comments में छोड़ सकते हो and I will try my best to answer them in a part 2. I really want to make my girl talk series happen again and do them like monthly again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. For today's video, Sasko shout out goes to Alizba Ahmed. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part next video, Sasko shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also you comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad, and it's chance for my next video, Sarah Squad shout out. I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you.